Hey everybody, this is John Crutch coming to you live from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina with Coldwell Banker Shakora Advantage, your real estate company of choice with your realtor of choice with your January 2018 Market Minute or 2. Talking about what happened in December of 2017. Now, first I want to start this off by saying thank each and every one of you for tuning in. As you can see from the quality of the picture, this is my first year. I got some new equipment. Hopefully some better quality audio and video coming up for the entire year of 2018 with some very, very exciting things going on with videos on the John Crutch YouTube page as well as Facebook page, Instagram as well. Excited to have you as part of it. Please, it would mean the world to me if you'd subscribe to me on YouTube, subscribe to me on Facebook, John Crutch, Myrtle Beach Realtor. A couple new pages coming soon. Snapchat, also John Crutch, KRAJC, as well as Instagram. John Crutch. You can see me on all the platforms all the time. A little bit of real estate, actually tons of real estate, a little bit of motivation, and spreading positivity to build community in the area of Myrtle Beach, and hopefully wherever you are today. So jumping right in, what happened in December of 2017 in the Myrtle Beach area? Average sales price in Myrtle Beach is up 7%, $208,500. Now, for all of you who are just now joining us, and for folks who have forgotten, Myrtle Beach covers Socastee, Forest Brook, City of Myrtle Beach, Carolina Forest. Some of the hottest areas in our entire sales area are in Myrtle Beach addresses. So that's what that covers. 29577 is specifically part of the city limits of Myrtle Beach, up 7% to $200,000. 29572, as we've talked about in the past, that is some of the higher end city limits of Myrtle Beach. So you have a lot of higher sales prices there. Those are up 27%, $245,000. So as we've talked about in the past, what I think is driving that are luxury home sales. Luxury home sales in the area have gone up in terms of quantity. And the biggest thing to know about that is that will cause such a drastic increase by percentage in the average sales price. Now the entire MLS is up 7% to $217,000. So as you can see, Myrtle Beach is not quite outperforming the entire area, but 29572 most certainly is. Jumping into new listings. New listings for buyers. This way you know what you have to choose from that's new on the market, as well as sellers. This is who you're competing with from December. So traditionally, we are in a slower time of year now here in the Myrtle Beach area when it comes to real estate. Do not fret. That doesn't mean that you can't sell your home. It doesn't mean as a buyer you can't find a very suitable home for you and your family. New listings in Myrtle Beach up 17%, which is a very good percentage, to 520 new listings for the month of December. 29577, not quite so much, still up 12%, but only 15 new listings. 29572, 74 new listings in December, up 42%. Now, what could be causing such a drastic increase in 29572? A couple of things in my opinion. One, you're probably seeing some new condo sales come up. Two, they have some very nice new homes going up at 29572. There's a new company called Del Webb coming in up in the Grand Dunes area, luxury type homes on the lower end of the luxury price range. Fantastic homes. Those are coming online this and next month. That is going to drive a lot of new inventory coming up. Entire MLS, 1,153 new listings in December of 2017, up 5%. Now, shows to pending. This is specifically for sellers. So sellers, you're wondering, goodness gracious, when is my home going to get sold? It feels like it's taking forever. Is my realtor doing their job? On and on and on. Most likely your realtor is doing their job. Myrtle Beach in the area, the entire MLS is seeing a longer time, a longer sales cycle. What does that mean? That means it's going to take more showings to get your home sold. So we're going to talk about numbers first. Myrtle Beach, up 14.2%, 15 average showings until you get pending, which means 15 average showings before you get a contract on your home. 29577, city limits of Myrtle Beach, up 6% to 14 showings. 29572, also 14 showings, but up 8%. Again, that 8% is most likely because of the luxury market. A luxury home is going to take longer to sell than a regular home typically. MLS as a whole, which means the entire area, part of Georgetown, Murrells Inlet, Pawleys Island, Conway, Surfside Beach, Garden City Beach, North Myrtle Beach, all those areas, Loris, Longs, entire MLS up 10% to 16. Now, shows depending. How can you get more showings on your home? What you can do is, do you have a dedicated Facebook page for your listing? Are you getting Facebook advertising? Are you getting open houses to get exposure for your home? If it's been on the average of 10 or more showings, are you getting broker open houses if it hasn't sold? Now, that could also mean 15 showings over the course of 6 months, or it could mean 15 showings over the course of a week. A lot of it depends on pricing, area, how good your home is it photographed well, things like that. So, definitely have that conversation with your realtor. I'm sure they're doing a great job. Super excited that you all get to sell your home. Super excited for the buyers that are coming. Even more excited for you to join me on the journey that we're going to have in 2018, because there's going to be some amazing videos coming out. Just want to say thank you again. Please subscribe on my channels, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Hope to see you there. If there's any videos in real estate you want to see specifically or questions you have for more statistics, please contact me. Be happy to help you all. Have a wonderful 2018. Happy New Year again. Talk to you soon.